In this episode I'm going to be fixing the pinch wheel of my Tascam tsr8. This is a very common issue on these machines. The rubber on the pinch wheel often goes very soft and leaves residue on the capstan wheel and sometimes other parts too. You can replace the whole wheel, but people charge crazy money for the whole wheel, so I'm literally just replacing the rubber on mine. This is the first job I had to do to get this machine working again, and as you can see, this is a pretty easy job to do. Taking off this masking tape was really satisfying, I'm not gonna lie.